So you have maybe an older phone. Maybe you have an older phone, and that older phone doesn't have like wireless charging. Or you're like us, and you're like, we want to have something for our daughter to be able to hold her phone in the back seat. So there's little cup holders back there. So we're gonna look at the Miracase car phone holder today, and this one kind of goes in your cup holder. Okay, so we did a video of the Miracase cases, which we actually liked. This is one of their, and I say one of their because I believe they make a couple different ones, but this is one of their car phone holders, and this one goes in your cup holders. So it could be really cool. Now this is like a simple phone holder. It doesn't have any Qi charger or MagSafe or anything like that. It's just pretty simple. You guys can see the back of the box here, right? 360-degree rotation, one hand operation, stable and safe. All of the stuff that you and I would want from a car phone holder. Miracase. There it is. All right, well, let's take a look. Now, I took it out of the box just to give it a look-see. There's your cup holder phone mount, right? Just kind of shows you how to put it together. Right there. Where am I? Right there. Very cool. And it's two pieces. That's it. It's super simple. Comes in two little bags. Number one is the top piece. We'll show you this in a second. But again, it's not powered or anything, right? This doesn't have any kind of charger. It's just designed to hold your phone. So if you are someone that wants something that can charge your phone while wirelessly, then this is not for you. But it's not to say that you still can't run like a USB cable or a lightning cable or whatever from your phone into your existing power outlet. It's like the good old days, right? The good old days. And then of course, this is the base. All right, so there's the two pieces. This is the base. So simply, we'll start with the base. Because not all cup holders are created the same size, basically what happens is this is going to go into your cup holder. So this is into your cup holder. And then you just kind of take this piece here, just this top piece, and you spin it. And you can kind of see, hopefully you guys can see that, right? You can see right there. But as you spin it, these pieces come out. So they come out and they'll snug. So they'll tighten into your cup holder. So they come out a fair distance, right? They come out nice. So if you have really large, you guys can see that there, right? If you have really large cup holders, this is still going to get nice and snug. And then, you know, if you have smaller cup holders, of course, you just bring them back in, and that's as far out as they're going right there. And then you spin it the other way, forever, I guess, right? And they come back in. So that's gonna make it nice and snug. And each one of these little pieces that comes out like this has a little rubber on it as well as on the bottom. So they should grip really nice in there, which is cool. And then this is a complete pivot arm, so you can kind of move these around and get it to however you want it, right? So depending on how it's gonna be, you know. Just realize, and this is something, if you're using a cup holder style mount, I think this would be really good for someone that, for one, just wants to hold their phone just in case you're getting phone calls or whatever it is, or if they're using their phone for like Bluetooth music or things like that. This is going to be really good. Now, if you're using it for maps and stuff, depending on where your cup holder is, I know for us, our cup holder's pretty far back, right? It's kind of back here. And you got to realize that if your map was like here, you know, that's a not a great angle to be looking at your map all the time, right? So you may want something that's kind of dash mounted or window mounted or something like that. But the nice thing is you don't have to mount this anywhere, and it's super easy to bring with you. So if you were like even traveling and going to like a rental car or something like this might be a good option. And then of course this has a little sticker on it just to clean that up. And on the back there's a little button. You just kind of hold that and it opens up, nice and simple. And then you stick your phone in there, give that a little tighten. That's good, nice and simple. And again, this has a little spin dial on the back. Stick that in there. Make sure you get it. Oops. Make sure you just get it where you need it to be, just kind of like that. Yep. And then tighten this back up. And then tighten it back up. Just get it where you want. And then this you can put kind of just, you know, wherever you need it to be, which is kind of nice. And then just snug that up like so. Right, got that good. Get it to where it needs. Snug that one up like so. Seems like I'm snugging forever. Oh, I see what I'm doing. It's not in all the way. See how there's like a little screw piece? Don't make sure that's out, because if it's out, it won't screw. So make sure that's in. There we go. See, I'm learning as I go. All right, get that where we want it, right about there. Excellent. And then this one I would like right there. Sweet. And that's not moving. That's not moving at all, right? Like you can bounce that around, and that's fine. Yeah, I think that'll be really good. All right, like I said, for us, I think what we're gonna do is use this in the back seat for our daughter. So she have like in the center console or the center seat, it folds down and there's little cup holders there. So she can put this there, and she can whatever, play on her phone or watch a movie or whatever it is. Because you can easily take this, right, and just kind of loosen that and put it in like landscape mode. And then you're watching a flick, you know. Yeah, I think that'll work. That'll work all right. That'll work all right. And especially for someone in the back seat, like what do you have? You don't have a dash to stick your phone to, right? So this as long as you have a cup holder, it could be good. I don't honestly know the price of this, but I will put links down below to it so that you guys can see how much it costs. I can't see it being overly expensive because again, there's no electronics in it, and that's it. Links down below. It's cool, I guess. It's cool. We'll find it useful, I think. All right, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the little notification bell. And that's the Miracase car phone holder. Yeah. Mm-hmm.